My Keychron K9 Pro keyboard has arrived. I'm very excited. I'm going to unbox it and give it an overview. I'm collecting a fair few keyboards these days for various reasons. I'm really just trying to, I'm on a quest to find the perfect mechanical keyboard. I have the K12, which is great. I got it because it was wired and I needed a keyboard to get into my Mac Mini. It's a little bit too loud for my everyday use. It's a nice keyboard though, it's been very useful. Really nicely made. I have my Planck 40%, ortholinear, slim keycaps. Nice, but I can't get fluent with this, but I'm going to keep trying. I have various Apple keyboards. I've also got this, the Vortex 40. It's really, really nice under the fingertip. But it's beautifully made, apart from the USB-C port. It's let me down twice now and it's basically useless. I have the old style Apple Magic keyboard with the battery port. The battery's in there. Actually really nice feel, not bad at all. A bit squishy, but I quite like it on this. And then I have this, which is precise and corporate. It's pretty handy. It's a good size too. All right, so Keychron, let's see what you've got. Let's get the cellophane off. Ooh, smell of artificiality. Lovely. Nice packaging from the off. A little holographic. An open source customizable keyboard for peak productivity. That's what I want. I want peak productivity. For me, it's all about how it feels. I do spend all my days writing, so this is why I justify this ridiculous midlife crisis. Ooh. Hobby, I guess. Ah, great, you can change out the keys. That was the one thing I was going to change out with that, is the red keys. I didn't like them. Ooh, that's very nice. It's got some lovely heft, mind. Feels like, I don't know what the materials are. Feels a little bit like plastic, but it's got a nice weight to it. Cool. Now it's oh, it does feel very, very nice. Yeah, that's great. Nice, really, really nice. It's a 60% keyboard, so it doesn't have a function layer and it doesn't have a numeric pad. I still like the 40%. But as I say, I struggle to get fluent with it. But I just think it looks really nice. It's a great keyboard, the Planck, don't get me wrong. I'm going to still use it a lot, but that's what you're looking at. Not a great deal in it. And in terms of height, ooh, this is much more slender, as you would expect, because it has slim switches, which are red. The Keychron switches, I believe, and slim keycaps, but they still feel really solid. Can't wait to try this out. I'll let you know how I get on and how it works. I'll be using it with a number of things with my laptop, so I can raise the screen and use a nicer keyboard, iPad via Bluetooth, and iPhone via Bluetooth. And that's it. Yeah, the Mac Mini occasionally, so it needs that wired functionality. It works for both Windows, Android, and Mac iOS. That's great. Okay, and the Bluetooth can be toggled on and off. USB-C switch there. It's fully customizable in terms of the keycaps. Lots you can get online and start messing around with them. It's really good fun. Also, the switches can be swapped out, so you can pretty much do some wonderful things with this. I'm sure there'll be some great creations out there in due course. It has totally customizable software layer as well, so you can get your macro keys. I've never got into all of that, but I will do one of these days. but people love it. You can swap out which keys do what as your heart desires and as your sort of setup demands. So it's really, really versatile. Let's see how it works. Quick look around each side of the Keychron, the K9. So on the back you have your toggles for Bluetooth and wired, various computer setups on the bottom. And this is really nice. You've got your rubber feet, but you've got these. So you've got 2 levels of tilt. So that should be very comfortable on the wrists. Very nice, and they seem to be reasonably good quality. We'll see. And let's take it for a spin. So I swapped out the red escape key and return key or enter key, and now it looks very business, doesn't it? Serious business. So I might swap it back, you know, just for a bit of color, or indeed go and get another set. It's very, very simple to do and it's good fun. So there'll be lots of creative potential with this. Looking forward to messing around with it.